If you're looking at the full snaffle or the half snaffle, either way, it doesn't matter. This is the clasp on it. You can see it goes like this. Now this will come up like this, so that really makes it easy on and off, because that does move, and you can see, now watch. It is practically impossible. The sterling silver, of course, makes it that way. Again, it's going to close like this. And I mean, it just doesn't bend enough for it to come off. It's got a really good clasp. Now, also too, you might think about the Equus. It's a little fatter, but it's also a good clasp too. Either one though, you're safe. And even if you're looking at the full snaffle, they all have the exact same clasp on it. We've had this design for about 20 years. No problems ever. I hope that helps.